Parliament efundikidde olutuula lwayo olusoose mu bitundu by'eggulu nga babadde ku Kaunda Grounds. Omumyuka wa Speaker Tayewa Thomas yakubiriza olutuula luno nga batadde essira ku biruma ab'omu bukiikakkono bw'eggwanga.
That's why you're seeing it's a motion for urging, meaning we are sending it to you in cabinet. So when you reach in cabinet, please give that example you've had and push harder so that it can be supported as it has a financial implication.
Ababaka bayisizza ekiteeso abayizi bonna e Karamoja okuyingira amasomero g'ebisulo nga tebaggyibwako ssente okukoma ku ky'okweyiwa ku nguudo. Okusabiriza omubaka wa Napak Faith Nakuti yakireese ne kisembebwa abava mu Karamoja.
There are thousands of the children from Napak who are begging in Kampala. The reason is this one. The women, the mothers, because of the cultural dynamics, the mothers are overwhelmed. They cannot afford both household welfare and plus now education, the cost of education itself. I support this motion and I appeal that you support us in this one, honorable colleagues. When you do it, you will liberate not just the children who cannot access an education at the moment, but also the women. So that
the literacy level in Karamoja stands at 66. And right, Honorable Speaker, we cannot just sit and observe part of Uganda remaining lagging behind when the rest of the country is moving forward in as far as education and other aspects of development are concerned.
Many of the male school dropouts end up being recruited into warriorhood, cattle rustling, and armed violence, while the female school dropouts end up in early marriages.
Besides the idea of having a policy on free and compulsory education, we also would like to urge government to support the Karamoja Peace and Technology University to build a chain to support the education in Karamoja.
Minister omubeezi ow'ebyenjigiriza ebisookerwako Dr. Joyce Moriku Kaduchu alaze gavumenti weetuuse okutereeza ebyensoma.
And it was discussed with the proposal of granting affirmative action, special consideration for Karamoja, for islands that are like the ones we know and the disaster-prone places. And the special affirmative action is to be specifically on boarding section.
Abaana ku nguudo bali kumpi mu buli kibuga kya ggwanga nga bangi bava Karamoja ne batasoma. Ekiteeso ekirala kiyisiddwa ku kusaba gavumenti okutereeza eby'ettaka mu bukiikakkono ng'omubaka Anthony Ako yakireese ne bakisemba. Eggulo President Museveni yasabye ababaka okuwagira gavumenti mu byenjigiriza.
They are street children because many of them did not go to school. And what is blocking them? School charges. So the political class, all the elite, please, if you say you care about your people, support my position on free education.
Ababaka basindikiddwa mu luwummula okutuuka nga 17 Septemba. Bya Mohamed Wamala ne Eric Sebala mu Soroti TV Omunyo.